Hello, my little Frenchies. This is Mervin on What the French, the channel that will teach you how to speak French the right way. And we are here for another video on the 10 French Essential playlist, which I hope you've been watching a lot. You've been binge watching and pausing and repeating. And today we're going to talk about exclamations. So get ready for 10 expressions about exclamations right after this. Okay, so let's dive into it, but as a pre-warm-up, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I post every single day. I guess if you came across this channel and you want to learn French, you want to make progress, you might as well subscribe, because I post every single day, since it's a language rich, full of particular rules of grammar, conjugation and everything. I will cover everything, but you might want to subscribe and hit the bell to get notified every time I drop a new video. Alright, so let's dive into it. First we have allons-y. Allons-y, like let's go. It's really popular in France, in Paris, especially in Paris. In different regions in France they have other expressions, but allons-y is one of the main one, one of the most used one. Allons-y. And make sure you make the liaison. Allons-y, on y va, like let's go. Next we have ça alors. Ça alors, like my goodness, ça alors, when you're like astonished, like when you're surprised by something, you're like ça alors, oh my goodness. Very popular too. Next is c'est pas grave. C'est pas grave. It means pretty much like it's all right, it's okay. People use it all the time. Some would use even like anglicisms like c'est okay, but most people would say c'est pas grave. For example, here in Montreal they would say c'est correct, and it's the equivalent of the English, like it's okay, it's all right. So yeah, very popular. Next is dis donc. Dis donc. Dis donc could be the equivalent of by the way. Dis donc, je t'ai pas raconté la personne que j'ai vue dans la rue hier. Dis donc, je t'ai pas raconté ce qui m'est arrivé hier. Like, by the way, I didn't tell you, I forgot to tell you what happened yesterday. By the way, I forgot to tell you who I met in the street yesterday. Like, dis donc. Dis donc. Next would be enfin, 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 enfin. It's the equivalent of the English I mean, like when you talk to someone and you're like, you know, blah blah blah, I mean, blah blah blah. So it would be like the French equivalent sounds like enfin. Par exemple, vous pouvez dire j'ai bien compris ce problème. Enfin, il reste quelques petits éléments à régler encore, mais j'ai bien compris. So, enfin often comes with mais. Like, enfin, j'ai compris le problème. Enfin, il reste des choses à régler, mais je vais y arriver. Next one would be for the gossip lovers, the one who likes to gossip, and they tell you a story, like a low-key story, like about about things that someone might have done, and like, oh, and that's not all, like, et j'en passe, and that's not all, et j'en passe, like, it's the perfect match, it's the perfect equivalent of that expression. That's not all. Next one would be c'est parti. Allez, c'est parti. Allez, c'est parti. C'est parti. Like means let's do this. Let's do this. Someone is hesitating to do something, like okay, let's do this. In French would be allez, c'est parti. C'est parti. Next one, really used in English, like you never know. You never know would be translated as on sait jamais. You might find on like literally it's written on ne sait jamais. But most people in France, especially in Paris, again and again, we are always in a hurry, always in a rush, so we skip the ne, the negative form. We say on sait jamais. Oh, on sait jamais. Like you might as well wear a hat. You never know, it might be cold outside. In French it would sound like tu devrais prendre un chapeau, on sait jamais, il fait peut-être froid à l'extérieur. Oh, next one is really important, is really Parisian. Really Parisian, and it expresses the routine. Like wake up, you take the metro, you go to your daily job, then you come back, you do whatever you do, and then you go to sleep. So it's like métro, boulot, dodo to express that routine. Like someone asks you like, salut Mervyn, ça va? And then I could be answering like, oh, tu sais, ça va, métro, boulot, dodo, la routine. Métro, like subway, boulot, your job, dodo, sleep. So métro, boulot, dodo. It means the routine. One is another one for the gossip lovers. Is like when you're talking about someone and that actual someone shows up, you're like, speak of the devil, speak of the devil. So in French, the equivalent would be quand on parle du loup, quand on parle du loup. So we don't talk about devil in French, we talk about wolves actually. Quand on parle du loup, speak of the devil. There you go, another video. I think it's the number 7 on the playlist. So that playlist keeps on growing as well as the audience. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe, hit the bell, replay the video, and like pause and repeat along with me as I try to speak as normally as I can. So if you have a hard time following up, just leave a comment or message me, email me, and I will be glad to answer you and to help you make progress. Again, What the French, this channel is here to help you speak French the right way. So you're going to learn a lot of words, expressions, idiomatic rules that you might not learn at school. So you might want to stick to that channel, subscribe and hit the bell to get notified. And you want to try this out. So hit the bell right now so you get notified for the next video tomorrow. Alright, donc en attendant, je vous dis à la prochaine.